Hello friends, my name is Kapil Gujuga and you're watching Techno Sports. Friends, I've given you videos about the long-term coins analysis, and this week's analysis about the coins. The market is looking was looking good, but now I think it can drop much because the market is bearish currently. You can see the market is very much in red. Many people are saying that it was just a short-term crash when it crashed to 6,000. Now it will be rallying to $18,000, but I do not think so because I think now people are thinking $11,000 is a good price to sell Bitcoin. So they are selling, and Bitcoin is dropping now. As you can see, currently Bitcoin is 10,698 $10,663. I would say when it reaches about $11,000, wait for a time, see how is it going, then only buy, because I think it might drop soon. Like if you see this graph, this is if you just see the 1 day graph. Okay, it went to $11,349, and it just dropped to $10,639, $10,600. So be cautious about buying Bitcoin currently, and the other cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin is relatively good, but I think the cryptocurrency that is not looking good is Ethereum. Ethereum currently is $936. I think it might go down. If we see the 7-day chart of it, let's see. Just see this chart, 900. It's fluctuating in the $900. I think it might go down to $850. 800 to $850 would be a good buy for Ethereum currently. Uh, the people who had bought from my prediction in the long term, they just do not need to worry. It's just for short term traders also, because if you are currently want to buy, then you can buy at $850, and the people who bought earlier, it will definitely be going to $5,000 to $6,000 by the end of 2018. The next coin, BCC is somewhat looking good as amongst all coins. If you just see, it's currently $1524. Just let us take a 7-day chart. We can take a more, but it's currently this 1533.539. I think there's not much fluctuation. If we go to 1-day chart also, it went to 1624 to 164, and then is it $1535. I think one it might come to 1450, but nothing much to worry in Bitcoin Cash as per the Ethereum and Bitcoin BTC, because BCC, BCH or BCC, they both are same only. It's looking good in terms of other cryptocurrencies. Litecoin, if we say about the Litecoin, then the Litecoin showed the most bearish market in it. If you just see the jump, it went to around this. It went to around $270 if I'm not wrong. Just if you see the 7-day chart, this is there. Yeah, it's there. This one. It went above, not 270. I think I was wrong. $230 something it went. Yeah, $230 it went, and then again it is coming somewhat down. It came to $218, and now it's $221. So it might I do not want to show you the graphs also, because it might make you complicating, but there is a trend line support is there, $150 and $180. So till one it might go to 180, and there is a support at $210 also. So it's a if it I think if it goes to $210, then that support would gone, because it's not a big support, $210. But $180 is a good support, and if it breaks, then it might go down to 150. I don't think so it will be going down to below $150, because $150 support is much higher than 180 and then $200. But these all coins might be for the short term also, but I am guessing it might go down, because this here new entrants have entered into the Bitcoin market from the last 3 months. They just want to earn small profits. Whenever Bitcoin slightly goes up, they dump the coins. So it's just like that. Neo is very good coin in terms of current market, because there's I think there's an airdrop of Neo in the first week of March. So if you buy at around 120 to 123, then you won't have problem. You can easily earn 30 to 40% in Neo. There's one more coin that is similar to this, because airdrop is coming. That's Ethereum Classic. I've also mentioned the Ethereum Classic in the long term coins. Super coin, super future of ETC, and it will be going above 40% up in first year mark, because it's also having an airdrop. You can buy in between 28 to 30 or 31, even 31 now you can buy. There is no problem in Ethereum Classic. Just hold Ethereum Classic till mid March, and if you want to hold long term also, Ethereum Classic is having a great profit in that term. Uh, about talking about the Tron, if you observe in my in my last video, I've talked about the Tron. It's a pump and dump. Every time it's goes down, it comes up. So currently it is going at 483 satoshis. So if it comes around 400 satoshi, just buy and sell it out 500 to 600 satoshi. You won't be having any problem. Like if you see this, the price came around, just a minute. Yeah, 500 satoshis is came. Price in BTC. I think I'm, let's check 7 data. I was taking the all term chart. In all terms, it went for one time around what do I say 1400 satoshis. So it's there on 500 also, and see the 1 day chart of it, then it is around 480. Now it's not dropping much about below 480 or 470. Support is there, but if it drops, just purchase. 450 is also good target. Just see between 510 to 550, but it's better to be in 400 range. So this was the crypto analysis for this week. I think the coins are doing great. One more coin we should see is Ripple. I do not include much Ripple in my videos, but let's see. I haven't included it because I have not mentioned it in the long term coins also. The price is $1.15. I think the support level is also good. Not much dropping in Ripple you will be seeing, so it's a good buy zone in around 110 10 to 100 $1.10 or $1.05 between it you can buy. There's nothing because it's fluctuating between 110 $1.08 to $1.10 one. I'm just confusing in $100. It's $1.10 and $1.08. You can buy at that time and it will be giving you a good profit. If you see the volume is also there, that's good. So this was my analysis of the cryptocurrencies. Slightly bearish, might go down. So Ripple and BCC are good choice for that. Litecoin most bearish about all of them, and Ethereum. Litecoin and Ethereum very bearish. BCC and Ripple good choice, and Neo and ETC too. They are good choices for buy. So this was the this week's analysis. If you like this video, then do like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions about it, do mention in comments. Thank you friends.